Good morning, everyone. Let's do a double task this morning because I'm making ampalaya and mango salad. And this is my ingredients: ampalaya and mango. I already peeled 2 pieces. And cooking at the same time, making sinampalukang manok, tamarind soup, chicken tamarind soup. I'm doing a double task because we have to go somewhere this afternoon for birthday celebration in temple. And I'm going to fry this fried plantain later on. So I got some fruits right here. So let's do a double task because I still have to go back to bed when I'm done preparing all this and fixing this salad. I already washed it, the mango. So how's everyone today? I hope everyone's okay and safe. So this is how I peel my mango. Sometimes I use the peeler, but it's kind of scared me sometimes because it slide it on my skin. So this is what I use, a knife. Yeah. And I'm saving, I got some watermelon that I used yesterday for my layered fruit cake. So I'm saving all this peel because I'm going to put it in a water outside for the garden for my plants. This is what I use as a fertilizer. So I soak it for 3 days. The peel of the produce that I got before I use it to water the fruit trees I got in the bag. So I never used the fertilizer, came from the store. Voila! My mango peel. So this is for the ampalaya, the bitter melon salad I'm going to make. We're going to the birthday party this afternoon to one of our friends. So I decided to make this mango and ampalaya salad because the party we're going to today is a seniors party. They like more fruits and vegetables than the meat to eat. So I decided to make this healthy food to share this afternoon. Anyway, the dining set that we order and the sofa, the furniture that we got, it already came yesterday. But anyway, friends, I wash my hand before I touch all this. The mango got overripe, but it's okay because the bitter melon is bitter. So if you combine them together, once you combine together, the bitterness is less because of the mango. When I bought this mango the other day, it's still hard. Now it's already ripe and it got a little bit soft. Hey friends, I want to show you the dining table that we order. It's right here. I got some stuff on top. So we have 6 seater table. I already put cover on a table. I have a lot of rearranging to do, and this is the table. And that's chair. Okay, let me turn the light on. So this is the table, and I just looked the bottom of one of this chair where it made from Vietnam. So we waited 2 weeks to get this dining table set, and that's under. It's wood. And this is the recliner that my husband liked. I put the cover. I will order different cover for this recliner, and it's swivel. So that's what it. You feel good. When you're sitting here, you feel rocking. It makes you to fall asleep. And this is the sofa. And also I put the cover. It's a crochet cover, came from Georgia. And also I put the cover here. And that's underneath. And this is another one. I also put the cover, and I'm going to cover this armrest too. The reason why I put cover on a sofa because of Mama Honey. Mama Honey, hello Mama. Because of her. Because she likes to get on a sofa and scratch it. But she already have her own pillow. Okay, she is, I think, almost 10 years old now. And she just like more to sleep. So that's the reason why I put cover. Because she scratched here and she scratched here, so I need to put some cover to protect this sofa, and it matched little bit to our new floor, the tiles. See that color? So it matched the color of the floor. I still have more things to do. See, that's my stand, a heavy stand for the plant. A metal or tin. Okay, that's for now that I shared to you, friends. And that's the outside. It's very sunny outside and hot. Okay, see you later. Babu. Have a blessed day, everyone. God loves us all.